Hi, it's Carrie Richardson with Lucas and Associates. I'm out here at 1629 Kestwick Drive. This amazing 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath sits up on the hill on an acre wooded lot, so it's actually very private and you wouldn't know you're in the heart of Hoover. Minutes from downtown, minutes from the interstate and the Galleria, and you're actually right next door to the Hoover Country Club and its golf course and Star Lake. So come take a look at this amazing house with me. I'm out here in the backyard of 1629 Kestwick Drive. It's very private and secluded, which is perfect for the hot tub that comes with this house. It's well maintained and ready for you. Thanks again for coming and taking a look at 1629 Kestwick Drive. For more information, give me a call at 205-821-3270. Thanks, I look forward to hearing from you soon.